Come on, Mum. You just come here. Well, you're gonna let me go through? Nice one. You're gonna have to wait for me on the other side. Is he gonna wait there for me? Yeah. Oh, you see. Look at that. Everybody's taking the diversion up this way. Definitely in the wrong place, so turn around somewhere. I can't see a yellow box underneath for that. All right. So I'm just gonna wait out and give it about 5-10 minutes. Our last delivery, and then we get out of here. Here we go again, guys. Different truck, but it's the same. It's always gonna be a DAF. For the time being, I've been allocated a truck, but it's been an inconvenience and somebody smashed one of the mirrors out. Well, I know. More than happy to be driving this. It's nice and clean. I checked it over, checked my trailer, everything is ready to go. So I better like jump in my cab, get going. So I do that and do my paperwork, find out where we're going first. So I'll do that. All right, it's quite a good one today. We're going to Home Bargain, Ocado to Tesco, Southampton. We got a trek today. It's gonna be an easy but long one, and this is gonna be exciting as well. I can't wait for this. Hunter Packages gives me like sometimes the best jobs in the land as well. To be honest, this is the kind of the jobs I like. But I gonna get going with this. Gonna put my postcode in. After I done everything, I'll be back with you, so I don't waste any time. So cash in the bank. Actually, it's a pretty good one today, actually. Let me show you. So we're going all the way from here, from Tolton, all the way down to pretty much like Winchester kind of area. And how many miles is that? So that's 223 miles. That's a treat to me. That's gonna be a break before we even get there. That's the first drop. We got 3, so I'm gonna push it as much as I can to the 3 of them, do a collection and trying to make it at least a little bit of the way for the delivery for the following day. It's time for me to go anyway, so I better get going. So get on the road now. All right, I got everything I need now, and I know where I'm going, so it's time to go. Let's get out of here. The yard is getting fixed as well. It's not that many potholes, so that's a thumbs up straight away because the unit's not going to be going crazy. So far, I'm really lucky because normally they do close the N6. It's looking alright so far, and hopefully it stays there the rest of the night as well. It's 4 o'clock. They normally finish all the road work when it comes to about 5 and sometimes 6. It depends how much work they want to get done, even though they never finish working on it. I don't know. All right, this is good because instead of them N6 be completely closing you to, and you have to use a diversion, they left one of the lanes on, which is absolutely amazing. So that will save time, fuel and money. So that is all we need. All right, 25 miles to go and we're nearly there. And one of the things I hate the most when going to Dover, Salisbury Plain and all these places is that it's a single carriageway. Pretty much all the way there you have to be doing like 50. If anybody knows another way other than the A4, please let me know. Come on, Mum. You just come here. Well, you're gonna let me go through? Nice one. There you go, just helping out. Thank you. Okay. Oof, that's that there. That house is pretty much in the middle. Come on, pal. All right, I'm gonna have to push somehow here. Somebody gonna have to wait for me on the other side. Is he gonna wait there for me? Yeah. Oh, you see, that guy's a legend. Careful with the old man over there as well. Need to be really vigilant when it comes to this. I'm gonna have to mount the careful bit thing here. No, I'll be all right. Cheers. Look at that. Everybody's taking the diversion up this way. All right, I get a chance to get through the thumbs. It's getting a little bit tight around here, these places. I think this is the second time I've been around here. All right, this is a little tight one, this little town's honestly like, I hate going through there. All right, we're meant to be going to Home Bargain, and that's Home Bargain right there. So I kept going, and that brought me all the way up here, and this is one of the entrance. You know what? I'm a genius. I'm a genius. This is the Home Bargain. It's on the other side, but we're here in Home Bargain, so we'll be able to turn around up here somewhere. So yeah, we're more most definitely in the wrong place, so turn around somewhere. We hear like a little bit incognito. I think I pronounced that right. If not, please leave them in the comment. Gonna have to turn around here. It's a massive yard. Here is where they do the vehicle repair, so I better go back out, get to the end of the road, turn left, and go to the right place because I'm completely in the wrong place now. So that's a wasted 10 minutes there. All right, all vehicle distribution over this way. Let me see if I can get off the road and just get behind one of these guys. Honestly, I just go close to stuff all the time. All right, we're going to bay 5 now, which is that one over there, and it seems pretty empty to me. And I hate having this lights on because it's the beep 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 beep. It's quite annoying. Yep, number 5. Go back, go back. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Look at that perfect. That's what I call a perfect reverse. Open the doors. Oh, I should have brought the gloves as well. First up. Needs to be between that, otherwise it slips out. But this one hasn't got it. But that looks like a strong one anyway. Like my hands are dirty. Need to put my gloves out. And I need to mop the floor as well. No mop, I just clean it. Steady, steady. That's in there. Oops. That's it. All right, the guy that's annoying. All right, the guy told me a direction. He said to go in a box and drop the keys in the paperwork, and after that it should be all right. So fine. Now let's see what it looks like. It's yellow though, but we'll find it straight away. All right, I can't see a yellow box underneath for that. All right, I guess it's that one. I'm gonna fold this as much as I can without breaking it and put it there. Amazing. All right, I put that there. I don't know if I need to do something else. I put a box number 5, stay on green, but don't see anything else, so I'm just gonna wait out and give it about 5-10 minutes. And if that's still green, I need to go and talk to them, so obviously I can get out of here later. All right, and while they do that, I plan my next route, which we're going to Ocado, I think it's pronounced, in Andover, which is not too far from here. We just gone past it. It's that little town where all the small roads are as well. All right, this ad now is telling me 17 miles away. That's not too bad, it's 17 miles away. So I better have a look on the Google Maps as well before I go on my journey as well, because I need to make sure that I know 100% where I'm going, because we know what happens when you don't check and you just go. You end up going to places they're a little bit tricky to get in, so better check it. I've never been to this place, but it seems like it's in the back, right at the back of a industrial estate. I guess you come on London Road, hit the roundabout, and there's a couple of roundabouts to get to the back of it. I don't see any other way in unless you hit that big roundabout there. But anyway, I know where we're going, I know what it looks like. As soon as this time again, we're gonna get going in a bit. All right, my light's on green again, so I'm gonna go and get the keys from that box I put it in before, so let's do that. Green again, so yeah. Da-da-da-da, keys. Oh yeah. Yes. So we got the keys, push forward, close the door, secure the load, and get it out of here. Those. Use gloves. All right. Whew. All right, 17 miles to go to get to Andover, and we're making our way to Southampton, and that's going to be our last delivery. So, oh, put this up. Our last delivery, and then we get out of here. Da-da-da-da. We probably have enough time for one collection, maybe, if we're lucky. So they just check our trailers. Hold up. So I'm making my way up to Andover now, and some of the streets to get to Andover from here are quite narrow, so this is going to be a little bit interesting. So let's enjoy this as much as we can, because It's gonna be a good journey, so let's get there.